Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to disable specific app notifications in Android. Constant non-essential alert pings and promotional spam completely ruin your productivity, but targeting a single misbehaving app allows you to silence its noise completely while keeping important system alerts running. First, open the Settings apps. Scroll down the Primary Options menu list and click directly on Notifications. Click on App Notifications. Scroll through the alphabetical application list directory and click directly on the specific app you want to completely silence. Click the toggle switch next to the app name to turn it completely off to freeze every single alert payload from hitting your device. Now, if you don't want to block the app completely, look back at the app lists and click on it. You can selectively click the toggle switches right next to specific rule categories, like turning off promotional ads while keeping your tracking delivery updates turned on. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.